Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with mustard and mayo. Start by boiling diced potatoes until fork tender, about 10 minutes depending on size. While potatoes cook, whisk together yellow mustard, mayonnaise, a splash of vinegar, salt, and black pepper. Fold in chopped celery and onion for crunch, then gently mix cooled potatoes with dressing. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill to let flavors combine before serving. Peel or leave skins depending on preference, then chop potatoes into even cubes for uniform doneness. Salt the cooking water to infuse flavor, and boil until easily pierced but not falling apart. While potatoes cool slightly, prepare dressing with mustard, mayo, a little vinegar, and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Add diced celery, onion, and chopped pickles for brightness, then combine gently and taste before chilling. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing potato salad without spills, and they make meal prep a breeze when you pack lunches or bring sides to gatherings. I love how they stack and seal, saving time and mess. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To personalize your potato salad, start with a 1:2 mustard to mayo ratio and tweak from there for more or less tang. Fresh herbs like dill or parsley bring a clean contrast to the rich dressing, while chopped pickles or relish add a lively pop. If you want a creamier result, stir in a tablespoon of reserved potato water. Always taste and adjust salt, pepper, and acidity before chilling for service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.